Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Kenmore brand washing machine and it's giving you an F20 error and you're wondering what's going on and how can you get rid of it. Because if you're getting an F20, your washing machine is not going to be working. What's going to happen is you're going to try to start a cycle. It'll seem like it's trying to start, and after a certain amount of time it will abandon it and it will throw up this error. And the reason that that's happening is because this error means that the washing machine is not able to intake water. It tries to start a cycle and then it tries to intake water. It gives itself a certain amount of time to get the water in. If that doesn't happen after that time, it abandons and throws up this error. So all you need to do to fix this is an easier one to fix, which is the good news. All you need to do is figure out why is your washing machine not getting water. And there's a couple of culprits here. The number one culprit is going to be somewhere between where the water hook, the intake hose hooks up to your water source and the washing machine. Now it could be even more upstream than that. The water might be cut off to your house and you don't realize it, or something like that. All right, or you might have some kind of low pressure issue. But you just want to come and check the valve where your washing machine hooks up to your water. Make sure that valve is all the way open, all the way to the counterclockwise, all the way to the left, if you will. And then you want to check that hose that goes from there all the way into the back of your washing machine, and make sure that it's not kinked or bent or smushed or pinched or anything like that. You know, what can happen, especially if you just, say you just installed your washing machine and you pushed it up against the wall. Maybe you pushed it too hard and you ended up pinching the water intake hose and water can't get in the washing machine. Well, it's not going to be able to run if that happens. So you just need to check all that. And then one more thing is there's a screen that screens out debris within that hose, that same hose. So even if it looks like it's fine, if water's not getting through there, you can unhook it and just check that screen and make sure there's no debris in the screen that would be preventing water from flowing. Anyways, if you check all those things, you should be able to get rid of this error. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.